What's going on YouTube? So it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, and since we're stuck in this whole quarantine time thing, I figured now would be a great time to restore my headlights. So I'm going to do a quick video and show you exactly what I use and how to go about doing it. It's the Mother NuLens with the Powerball drill attachment. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, and man is it effective. All right, let's get right to it. Boom! All right, so as you can see, the headlights on my 2005 Saab 95 Aero are completely weathered entirely. I mean, you can barely see through it. So what you want to start off with, by following the directions on the box, it basically says to make sure that the surface is clean and dry before you apply the polish. So with that said, all I did was use some soap and water on a microfiber cloth, got a bit of soap on there. And this is the product I'm actually using, the Mother's NuLens, with the headlight renewal kit, which includes the Powerball drill attachment. It's just amazing. So once the headlight is clean and dry, then you take the NuLens polish, you apply it to the Powerball, about a nickel size amount. As you can see here, yeah, just throw some of it on there. And the nice thing about the Powerball is it's actually washable. So even when it's dirty, you can actually wash it all off, and there you go. And then you have a whole new Powerball all over again. This one was already dirty because I had just done my wife's car. And so you want to keep the drill at about 1500 to, I believe it was 1500 to 2500 RPM, somewhere around there. Go, small increments overlapping all the way across the headlight. At least this is how I do it. And I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Yeah, I mean, it's been absolutely fantastic. I mean, you can readily see the difference as soon as you start applying the polish. I don't know what's in that stuff, man, but woohoo, is it good. So you just keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and eventually you'll end up with a completely brand new looking headlight. It's absolutely insane. So yeah, now you can compare the two headlights. You can see how weathered the other one is, and you can rewind the video and see how bad the old one was. So moving on to the second headlight, you can clearly see how weathered it is. Now watch, now that this is a bit closer to the headlight, you can actually see the difference a bit more easily. Oh man, my English is terrible today. All right, so as you can see, you just small overlapping motions, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Make sure that you're keeping a constant speed on the drill. And also pay attention for if the polish starts to wear out on the Powerball. You want to make sure if you start feeling resistance, it's time to put some more polish on the Powerball. But look at this difference. I mean, like, the headlight is already looking brand new. It's absolutely crazy how much of a difference this stuff makes. Yeah, like I said, I mean, this is the absolute easiest, most, I guess, least labor-intensive way to restore your headlights. And I swear by this kit, everybody should have one if you want to maintain your visibility at nighttime driving and all that. I mean, it's absolutely insane how quickly and beautifully this thing actually restores headlights. So, I mean, that's pretty much it, really. And then once you're finished with the Powerball, the next thing that you want to actually do is just grab a microfiber cloth that's completely dry and just kind of buff out whatever's remaining, because there may be a bit of haze once you apply the polish. So you just want to buff it out with a microfiber cloth. All the directions are on the box, and that's pretty much it for this video. You guys will see me next time.